Hey guys, so episode 6, season 2, Bride's Best Friend. I was thinking that they were going to do 6 episodes like they did the first season, but they're doing 7. So I've got another one to go. This, you fucking perverts, this has 10 million views, and I know what that means. That means something spicy's gonna happen because, well, we are researchers. We're scientific researchers, you know, and we have to analyze and rewatch and over analyze and under analyze and everything else. So yeah, I don't know. The last episode ended. She had another miscarriage. She's 3 months of depression and practically having a mental breakdown, which is understandable for the circumstances. Fans like, oh my god, she doesn't love me, she won't touch me, and I was just a bit like, bitch, just let her process this, give her some time. And that's how we ended off. Oh, and she was burning shit at the end, which is part of the mental breakdown. So yeah. That's practically it. It's only 11 minutes, so without further ado, let's get to it. I was gonna say it started off way too happy, and I was just like, hold up, she's still in this. So that must have been a flashback or a flash forward. Juliana! Oh god, I don't know whether I'm ready for the bullshit. It's too early for bullshit. Yeah.
Isso, tá maluca? Você é uma inútil, eu não sirvo nem pra te dar um filho. Você nunca mais fala isso. Você queria uma família e olha, eu não posso te dar uma família. É minha família, você é minha família. Fica quieta. Fica aqui.
That's not gonna. Oh, is it? I was gonna say that's just gonna send sparks everywhere. She needs help.
Deixa eu cuidar de você. Você é incrível. Vou tomar um banho agora.
Oh, I was like, are we gonna do something in the shower?
O que é que você tá fazendo?
Arrumando a mala, ué.
Fernanda.
Ai, cara, nada de Fernanda. Você falou que eu ia poder cuidar de você.
E a empresa e a galeria?
Já tá tudo resolvido.
Hum.
Sofia vai cuidar da galeria. Quer dizer, se você permitir. E o Caio dá uma segurada na empresa.
O que eu faço com você, hein?
Me ama. Quer dizer, deixa pra me amar em Itaipava, tá bom? Que eu preciso me arrumar.
Itaipava?
Uhum.
Gostei.
Né?
Eu vou voltar pro banho, mas dessa vez eu vou ter que tomar um banho gelado, já que a minha esposa me deixou na mão, né?
Guarda essa energia pra mais tarde, sua gostosa.
Sorry, I was just sat there like, what the fuck? Oh, Jesus. Oh. I don't know, it went a bit fast from depressed, I hate my life, fuck this, to immediately this. Sometimes that's how it works, but yeah, just, I don't know.
Ai, tô exausta.
Ah, nem vem com esse papo. Você vai deixar pra dormir quando chegar em casa.
Mas já tá noite, amor.
E daí?
E daí que a gente tem que dormir?
É?
Yeah, she was saying, yeah, knackered. You were just as fucking knackered, darling. Your face was like, oh, fuck this. I'm gonna sleep.
Você ainda quer dormir?
Não tão cedo.
Alright, this is the spiciness. I'm just doing that just in case with the song. Okay. On a random note, I wonder if Natalie actually draws in real life. I get the impression that she does.
Bom dia, pequeno.
Bom dia, marrentinha.
Marrentinha. Gostei.
Tô fazendo um desenho seu.
Né? Deixa eu ver, vem cá.
Só depois que eu terminar. Fecha o olho.
Going back to the song. Now, let's see which is the most replayed bit. Oh no, there isn't a most replayed bit? Ah. You know what I mean? Yes, Squeaky. I'm busy. What do you want? Bitch, what?
Busy.
Yeah, so it was a flash forward at the start. Come on.
Eu te amo.
Eu te amo muito mais.
Você é o meu sonho que virou realidade.
Você é linda. Tudo que eu sempre sonhei. Clichê demais.
Muito. Mas eu gosto.
O que você fez comigo, hein?
Eu te amei. E eu permiti que você me amasse.
Eu agradeço a Deus todos os dias por ter colocado você na minha vida. Você me deu motivos pra ser alguém melhor. Fez lembrar como te amar. Obrigada, Ju.
Não precisa agradecer. Eu só quero que você prometa que vai ficar do meu lado pra sempre e que nunca mais vai brigar comigo.
Eu prometo tudo que você quiser.
Eu quero uma coisa.
Eu te dou qualquer coisa.
Eu quero...
I'm just realising, on a random note, that for the time that this came out, there would, you probably had Carmilla, web series wise, and otherwise, maybe the odd one or two, but generally speaking, there was fuck all out there. So I can understand why this did so well, because there was literally no gay content. Which is nuts, isn't it? Sorry, that was a bit aggressive. Which is nuts for this day and age. But, you know, there's not much gay content.
Ju, a gente não precisa disso. Tá tudo bem.
Eu quero adotar uma criança.
O quê?
Você não gostou da ideia? É que eu pensei...
Eu amei. Mas você tá falando a verdade.
Yeah, but just to burst that bubble, I think she needs to see a psychiatrist first, just to go through what has happened with the miscarriages, because why would you want to bring a child into that family if you're not 100%, well, not 100%, but stable enough to handle the emotions that's going to involve?
Sério, você quer isso?
Eu quero ter um filho seu e eu acho que a adoção vai ser a coisa mais linda.
Eu te amo muito, 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 muito.
And again, too fucking soon. Way too fucking soon. It's too soon, Willow. It's too soon. And I was expecting more spicy. Willow, I was expecting something else. Yeah, that's... I get it. It's a web series. They only have a limited episodes and limited time, blah, blah, blah. But, I don't know, just pushing the child thing a bit too quick, in my opinion. But that's, again, my fucking opinion. Yeah, look cute. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. Hi. Yeah, that was it. For 10 million views, I was expecting something stupid wife, spicy. Unless they learnt that later down the road when they were producing these. Yeah, I literally, I'm being distracted. Willow's being cute. She went to bed. I have literally, that's unhelpful. I have literally nothing to add. So, you fuckers, yeah, you're a fucker too, stay out of trouble and see you the next one.